Okay, so today I'm going to draw the most famous football star, Cristiano Ronaldo aka CR7. We all knew that he's the greatest of all time. Even if you ask someone who knew absolutely nothing about football, you could almost grant that they would still have heard of Ronaldo and Messi. So in this video I'm going to draw CR7. Sorry Messi, I will draw you on my next video.
Sometimes feels like wonder if my soul ever. Woke up really discombobulated in the middle of the night. Was it all some sort of bad dream? That's when I seen it in the sky. Picture perfect, illuminated fusions and revolutions hit the constructs of my eye. What a scene, what a sight. What does it mean? Are we alright?
You couldn't see it coming, yeah, you nearly lost conscience of your own soul. You couldn't see it coming, you were heading in reverse down the wrong road. You couldn't see it coming.
In my pocket, she gon' hit a lick. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You so thirsty for attention in the desert, you could find a well, alive and well. I'm fly as hell, yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP and tell Al, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of a Ivy League. My swag drip like I'm coming out of Ivy. Please, my shot across between CP3 and then white BT. Yeah, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, nah. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
If I wrote a song about girls that's not about you, then it wouldn't be too old. We're laying in my tiny dark room with 90s cartoons, and I just had to say it. Don't wanna get drunk in the back of some basement, cause we got that love from the past generation. And if you really my whole world, why the fuck would I write a song about any other girl? I'm sorry about the crazy shit I told you last night. Last girl left me in the dark without a flashlight, and now I got this paranoia inside me, worried that it's slowly, slowly driving you away. And that's my bad, you should correct me. I know what's right, but that can get me, cause sometimes I act like a lefty, but you still by my side. So if I wrote a song about girls, it's not about you.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here, that's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience, and don't get in those situations, cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking a name in vain. My God, it's such a shame, cause you got yourself into this. It's nice that you're at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want.
You know I'm always on the night shift, and you can stand these nights alone. Yeah, you don't need no explanation. 'Cause baby, I'm the boss at home. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work. But I gotta put in work, 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 work. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work.